So it's been about 3 days since I pointed all of my crypto mining machines over to unMineable to get paid out in Neoxa. I'm using my KS0 Pros, my Bitcoin and Litecoin ASICs, and all of my GPUs over to unMineable to earn Neoxa so I can get my master node. That was a goal at the beginning of the year that I had without just throwing all my money into it. I wanted to mine and earn the Neoxa to do so. Now it's super simple. Again, this isn't a paid advertisement. This is just something that I'm personally doing with both of these companies involved, unMineable and iNodez. Let's get into it. Starting with unMineable, let's get into my onboarding address that I am mining to. This is a pending balance of 66,229 as of right now, and we can obviously go through the stats in just a second, but I want to show you guys I am mining right now the Lithium algorithm, which is Blake 3, with all of my GPUs. 79.3 gigahashes reported on unMineable. You can see these are all of my GPUs running down at Terra Hosting. Huge shout out to them if you guys are interested. Links in the description below. I'm running 10 cents per kilowatt, 11 cents per kilowatt hour. I actually messed up the last video too. ASICs are 10 cents over there, but GPUs are 11 cents. And they're going to be lower in the rates at some point, but regardless, way cheaper than what I am spending at my house, right? I pay like 28 cents here. So I just sent everything down there because it made way more sense, right? I'm literally wasting double the money or even almost triple the money here trying to mine with these GPUs. So it's costing me about $13.68 a day down there at this rate. You can see I got it right here because I have it plugged in my settings, so it actually gives me the daily cost and how much wattage I'm actually using. So back to unMineable, you can see these are my KS0 Pros. I don't have the GUIs open on these, but you can see I have 8 of them up and mining away over to unMineable, just contributing to this entire thing. And the reason I'm doing this, really, if you guys could see, so yesterday Lithium was on a tear. Honestly, it's still up pretty well from yesterday. You can see this is a 7-day, right? 7-day. Yesterday was, what's today? Today's the 10th. So let's see. 9th, we were right about here, 250. So it's still up on the day, right? And I started doing this over here on the 6th. So yeah, the 6th, it was $1.98. So the price of a Lithium, and the reason I'm mentioning this, it actually has risen quite a bit in mining this coin and swapping it into Neoxa versus just going and mining Neoxa with a crazy power draw and the, the less coins I would actually get, because the conversion, I'll be getting more by swapping a higher valued coin that's actually on a run for a lower valued coin that's really not moving much at all. You can see it has moved a little bit over the past day, right? But the 7 days, it was been pretty stagnant realistically, right? It was actually under the 0.003. It was 0.002 something, right? So again, it's up 4.3% on the day, so not as big of a yield probably today, but nonetheless, it's been it's been worth it doing this. And then also Kaspa, right? 13 cents, actually almost 14 cents. It did hit 14 cents yesterday, as you guys can see. 14.1, right? Actually, that was this morning. Crazy. Anyways, this has been on a tear. Lithium and Kaspa have been killing it, so it just makes sense to be swapping into Neoxa right now to get as much as I physically can to get that, million for the master node. So anyways, let's go back to unMineable. You guys can see right here too, Bitcoin miner. This is actually a loaner. I have an S19K. The S19K is actually, the hashboard on it went, so it's under warranty. They're going to be fixing it, but he gave me an S19 loaner for now. So this thing right now, it's only reporting 94 terahashes, which is weird, but it's usually around 110, as you guys can see. It has been fine, running on this, getting paid out in Neoxa. Same thing, everything's contributing. I have the L7 actually mining here as well. This is my 9050 L7. Shout out to Musk miners. They're amazing. If you guys are interested in ASICs as well, they have sales there too, and actually they offer hosting as well. ETC, looking right here, we have my Jazz miners. Actually, these are the only things that I am running at my house, current location right now, because it's helping with the heat for one, and two, they're stupid efficient for what they are. And unfortunately, I don't think Terra actually will host these units, but these units are awesome. And again, I'm just mining ETC hash, going directly here to get paid out in Neoxa. How's actually ETC been doing? I don't even know. Let's check real quick. ETC, how are we looking over here? Everything's been pretty much up from the last couple days. Let's check the 7-day, right? All right, another good move, right? So mining ETC from the 6th, the price has been appreciating. Neoxa hasn't really moved as much in comparison, so the yield should be fairly good on this one as well. But anyways, you guys can see that I have a pending balance here. Now let's check out my stats. I want to show you guys what I've been getting per day. So with all that stuff on, yes, it's a buttload of hash rate. Most people don't have that much. Looking at my daily 24-hour rewards, I'm getting over 20,000 Neoxa per day, which is fantastic, right? Because that means 100,000 in about 5 days, right? So pretty fast, honestly. I could get 50 days, I could get 1,000,000 coins if it stays to be true like this, right? Yeah, 50 days. That's crazy. Anyway, so 20,000, obviously putting a huge dent in it, right? I've already taken a payout of a little bit, actually. I don't know. Oh, right here, 12,536. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pay it out now, and I want to show you guys how it gets over here to my onboarding address. Now, this is iNodez. For anybody that doesn't know, I do have a video on this. Go check it out. It's stupid easy passive income, right? I guess PSAs that you need to know about this site, right? Yes, you do need to trust these guys with your cryptocurrency. Yes, they do take a fee. But again, if I was holding this Neoxa in my actual wallet, my core wallet, I would be gaining nothing from doing that, right? As of right now, I have 522,354 Neoxa in here as a total collateral. Now, this is a perfect option, in my opinion, to at least put this Neoxa to use and actually earn something from it, right? So yes, it is $1,619. It's a lot of money, don't get me wrong, okay? And I'm trusting these guys to hold my money, and it's been fine. It's been fine for a couple months at this point, probably about 6 months if I'm not mistaken. If you look at my Raptorium, I've actually had the Raptorium. I forgot about this, to be honest. I've had 50,000 Raptorium in here for like 3 years. I'm not even kidding. About 3 years. 69 bucks value. It's not even close to the Neoxa, but they do offer Firo, BlockX, Neoxa, and RTM. I think there's issues with Firo, but I only have Neoxa and RTM in here. But yeah, nonetheless, I am earning $1.76 a day here. Yes, they take the 9.85% out before this daily estimated earnings, so I would be getting more, right? About 10% more. But again, I'd be getting nothing somewhere else, so it doesn't matter to me. Let's go back. So look, estimated daily earnings 569 Neoxa, which is awesome. So let's pay this out now. I want to see if this goes fairly quick. All right, so if I click payout now, I'll be getting 65,992 Neoxa. So they're going to be taking like 400 Neoxa out of this. Whatever, I'll do it for the video's purposes. It was actually dead even a little bit ago. Let's see, a payment of has been initiated, and it says 66,352. I really want to see what it actually comes out to. Let's go to payments here. You can see payment in progress. It shows you all of the payments history here, right? Which is cool. You can go back and track everything. You can see how much you're getting paid out per day if you have this little auto ticker on. So feel free to just click that, and then they'll pay you as soon as the Neoxa balance is over 50. But I'm gonna keep that shut off anyway. So yeah, let's see how long this takes. Right now it is 11:09, and we'll be right back. So real quick, while we're waiting for the actual deposit to come through, I wanted to show you guys. So this is the total deposit. Obviously this is like within my dashboard. Once you're logged in, you can actually go in here and, you know, get all the information you need. I have compound staking active. I don't think I've ever showed this before, really, but I have 100% being restaked. So anything over this limit value right here, that's literally right above my head, is how much they will take. So I just put 1 Neoxa, right? As soon as it hits 1, they're going to take it and they'll reinvest it into another node. Now, I know there is a thing that goes along with this that's kind of like you have to ask for a withdrawal of your funds, and within 30 days at the end of the month they will withdraw your funds, because they got to get all this shit out of the other nodes that they're actually already staked in. So I understand that they need like a 30-day time, or you can get it immediately and they take like a 3% of your overall funds. So I don't want that to happen. I would rather just request the draw and actually get it taken out in 30 days. But to each his own. Just wanted to kind of give you guys a heads up of that. And don't quote me on the percentages. I think that's correct, but I'm not 100% positive. All right, payment completed. As you can see, 66,352. I wonder if that's how much I will get to my iNodez. And I've already earned another 91 since we've been sitting here waiting. It is 11:16, so it took like 7 minutes. Look at that, 66,352. Wow, it actually said I was going to be getting 65. So weird. They didn't take the cut that I was expecting. Interesting. Anyways, all right, so you can see another 66,000 is in the onboarding balance as of right now. They will end up throwing that into the total amount, right, which will equal 588,000 now, which is awesome. So again, I should be over 600,000 by the end of today, and I'm just gonna keep throwing it in here and earning more as we go. Now, if you guys don't know, this is how you get to the the addresses. You just click right here once you're logged in. Anyways, you can see right here my stats. Let's see right here, onboarding 66,352 Neoxa, which is awesome. How much is that actually? Does it tell you how much value? No, doesn't. Just tells you the Neoxa. All right, let's see. What's the value here? Let's get this open. Value of Neoxa. We got to go back to it now. Let's just check. All right, so it's at 0.003, 0.003087 times 66,352.88. 204 bucks. $204 I have made in the last 3 days from mining. I mean, obviously, granted, this doesn't take out, you know, electrical costs and all that shit, but listen, that's a huge chunk of change going into iNodez for me, and this estimated daily earnings will absolutely be going up, which is awesome. So if I can get over $2 a day doing literally nothing, not costing me anything at all besides the 10% fee, because they don't charge you like a monthly fee to do this, right? They just take their fee out every day or whatever it is on your daily earnings, which is pretty cool. So I don't know, you guys do what you want, but this is what I'm doing, and that's it. So that's going to do it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Now, if I can make some sort of passive income, not costing me literally anything per day, why not do it? I mean, to each his own. You guys do what you want. I'm not being sponsored by either of these companies again, but it's just an easy passive income for me. So that's what I'm going to do. You guys do what you want. You're big boys, big girls. I can't make that decision for you. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. And with that being said, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.